Last couple of weeks I've been having a problem with the flywheel. Like I had a crack on it and it was making noise. The whole time I thought it was the exhaust gaskets. Came to find out it was that motherfucker right there. So I had to pull back the transmission, all kinds of shit. Take off the drive shaft. You already know. If it's cheaper, do it. It's cheaper to do it yourself and you got the tools. And that's all me. I already put the new one in. I'll show you the old one. The older one's right here. You can probably see all the cracks all the way around there. And then when you have something like that, it starts making a knocking noise. And it's fucking ugly. It sounds like your lifters are messed up or your crankshafts fucking up. That's what it sounds like, but this is the main part right here. And all I gotta do is put it back on.